Tired of soggy fries or reheating leftovers that never taste right? Imagine golden, crispy meals in minutes, perfect for two. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best air fryers for 2 people. Stay tuned, and check the links in the description to grab your favorite one. At number 5 is COSORI 2.1 Quart. Did you know you can enjoy crispy, golden fries using 97% less oil, and in a fryer that fits right in your hand? The COSORI 2.1 Quart air fryer, priced at $49.99, is a compact powerhouse made for couples, students, or anyone craving quick, healthy meals without the mess. It's one of the smartest picks among the top 5 best air fryers for 2 people thanks to its fast heating, ultralight 4.87-pound design, and easy-to-clean basket. Whether you're reheating pizza, making wings, or roasting veggies, everything comes out evenly cooked and delicious. Compared to bulkier models, this one saves space, time, and effort, perfect for everyday comfort. If you want convenience, crispiness, and peace of mind in one sleek package, this little COSORI truly delivers. At number 4 is Tasti-Crisp. Ever wondered if a small air fryer could truly deliver that restaurant-style crunch without drowning your food in oil? The Tasti-Crisp air fryer, priced at $49.99, proves it can, and beautifully. Using advanced air crisp technology, it cuts down 70–80% of fat while keeping flavor front and center. For anyone exploring the top 5 best air fryers for 2 people, this one deserves serious attention. It's compact yet surprisingly versatile, perfect for couples, dorms, or RVs where space and convenience matter. Compared to the other, the Dash feels lighter and faster for quick snacks, with a sleek aqua finish that adds personality to your countertop. I love its auto shut-off and cool touch handle, which make it safe for all ages, especially seniors. While its smaller basket limits batch size, it's unmatched for simplicity, safety, and everyday satisfaction. A smart, worry-free choice for healthy eaters. On number 3 is Crux 3 Quart. What if you could enjoy crispy, golden fries with 88% less fat, and still taste every bit of flavor? The Crux 3 Quart air fryer, priced at $49.99, makes that dream real. Designed for couples or small families, it's a powerful pick among the top 5 best air fryers for 2 people, blending speed, flavor, and convenience into one sleek unit. Its 5-in-1 multi-cooker lets you air fry, broil, bake, roast, or dehydrate, so whether it's breakfast eggs, roasted veggies, or late-night fries, it's all done faster and healthier. Compared to the other, the Crux stands out with its digital controls, circular heat technology, and stainless steel heating element that ensures even cooking every time. It's compact yet fits up to 2.5 pounds of food, perfect for 2 without wasting space. Safe, efficient, and surprisingly versatile, this fryer truly brings peace of mind to healthy cooking. At number 2 is Chefman Small. Did you know you can fry your favorite snacks with 98% less oil and still get that crispy, golden perfection? The Chefman Small air fryer, priced at $40.16, is proof that good things really do come in small packages. Perfect for couples, students, or anyone short on counter space, this compact fryer earns its spot among the top 5 best air fryers for 2 people. It preheats fast, cooks evenly, and fits effortlessly in kitchens, dorms, or RVs. Compared to the other, it's lighter, simpler, and incredibly beginner-friendly. Just set your temperature, twist the timer, and let it do the rest. I love how safe it feels with its cool touch exterior and auto shut-off feature, giving you peace of mind while cooking. Cleaning? A breeze. It's not just a fryer, it's your smart companion for everyday healthy comfort food. Now moving to the last one is Instant Pot Vertex. What if you could go from frozen to crispy perfection in just minutes? No oil, no waiting, no fuss? The Instant Pot Vertex air fryer, priced at $59.99, makes that possible. Designed for quick, flavorful meals, it's a top contender among the top 5 best air fryers for 2 people. With its 4-in-1 functionality, air fry, bake, roast, and reheat, it transforms everyday cooking into something exciting and effortless. Thanks to even crisp technology, Every bite comes out golden and tender, whether it's wings, veggies, or cookies. Compared to the other, the Vertex offers more precision and smart one-touch programs that make cooking feel futuristic. It preheats in seconds and cleans up effortlessly with its non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket. If you're after convenience, versatility, and that wow crunch without the calories, this one's a smart, kitchen-elevating choice for couples and small households alike. The clear winner is the Instant Pot Vertex. At $59.99, it outshines the rest with its 4-in-1 functionality, smart one-touch cooking, and even crisp technology that delivers perfect golden results every time. Unlike others, it preheats instantly, cleans effortlessly, and handles everything from fries to baked treats flawlessly. For couples or small families wanting speed, versatility, and reliability in one sleek design, this isn't just an air fryer, it's a complete mini kitchen upgrade you'll love using every single day. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best air fryer for 2 people. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.